Hey there, and welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things related to small business accounting. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up for you, and that is how to create a chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Before we get started, let's quickly understand what a chart of accounts is. A chart of accounts is a fundamental component of your accounting system. It's essentially a categorized list of all the accounts that your business uses to track income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. By setting up a well-organized chart of accounts, you'll have a clear and structured view of your business's financial health. So let's get to it. To begin creating our chart of accounts, we'll need to follow a few simple steps. Click on Accounting tab and then Chart of Accounts. Now that we're in Chart of Accounts, it's important to understand the different account types available. Here we have accounts receivable, other current assets, fixed assets, accounts payable, other current liabilities, long-term liabilities, equity, income, cost of goods sold, and expenses. Once we have a good grasp of account types, we can start creating our own accounts. QuickBooks Online makes it super easy to add new accounts to your chart of accounts. Let me show you how. Click on this new tab here. Select the type of account. Now classify your account from here. Now select the tax form from here. Enter the name of account here. You can enter description of this account here. It shows the preview of new entered account here. And now click on Save. And there you have it. You have successfully created your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. With this invaluable tool, you'll have a comprehensive overview of your business's finances. Remember, organizing and maintaining your chart of accounts is an ongoing process that evolves as your business grows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more business tips and tricks. As always, thank you for watching.